Not every home has the perfect roof for solar panels. Maybe it's shaded, faces the wrong way, or just doesn't have the space. But what if we told you that your garden could do the job just as well? In this video, we'll show you how to turn your outdoor space into a solar powerhouse. Here's why rooftops don't always work. When people think of solar panels, they think of rooftops. But rooftops aren't always ideal. Some are north facing, some are shaded by trees or chimneys. And if you live in a conservation area, planning restrictions can make roof installs tricky. That's where garden-based solar comes in, a smart alternative that gives you more freedom. Here's what we'll cover in this video. We'll walk you through 3 outdoor solar options: ground mount solar, vertical mount solar, and solar on outbuildings and garden studios. We'll also cover planning rules, real-life performance, and how it all connects back to your home. Let's get right into it. Here's how to unlock the power of your garden. Ground-mounted solar is simple but powerful. Panels are installed at the perfect angle for maximum sun, often better than many rooftops. They're easy to clean and maintain, and because they don't go on your house, they avoid the need for structural changes. Vertical solar is much the same. If you don't have much garden space, you can install vertical solar panels on fences, walls, or outbuildings. They won't generate quite as much as angled panels, but they perform surprisingly well in winter when the sun is lower in the sky. They collect less dirt and snow, which helps maintain efficiency. What about planning permission? Most garden solar setups are under what's called permitted development, but there are limits. For example, ground-mounted systems must be under 9 meters squared, no taller than 4 meters, and not in front of your main house elevation. If you go beyond that, or live in a conservation area, you'll likely need planning permission. At the Natural Energy Company, we're happy to support the process. We'll advise on the system design, help you understand the requirements, and make sure you have everything you need to apply with confidence. Trenching and cabling, how it all connects. Got an outbuilding or a back garden system? We run an armoured cable underground from the solar system to your home's fuse board. It's clean, safe and discreet. Most garden systems are fine up to 50 metres away, far enough for sheds, garages or outbuilding. If you've got a longer run, not a problem. We'll spec the cable to keep performance high and your garden tidy. So, rooftop versus ground versus vertical. What performs best? Let's compare performance. Rooftop, ideal if you south facing and angled at 30 to 40 degrees. Ground mount, fully optimized for sun angle, often higher output than bad roof installs. Vertical, 60 to 70% of optimal output, but great in low winter sun and tight spaces. New tech like bifacial panels, microinverters, and high efficiency cells make these systems even more effective. If you're interested in the Smart Export Guarantee, yes, you do still qualify. No matter where your panels go, on the roof, in the garden, or on the fence, you still qualify for the Smart Export Guarantee. That means you get paid for any extra power you export. You just need a certified installer, an MCS certified system, and to generate less than 5 megawatts, which you will. Let's talk about the return on investment. Garden solar can pay for itself in as little as 6 years. After that, it's clean, free power. You save on bills, you get paid for surplus energy, and you future-proof your home against rising costs. Here's why we stand out. We don't do one size fits all. At the Natural Energy Company, we design around your home, not just your roof. We assess your space, shading, trenching, and planning needs. And we build systems that fit your energy goals. Some of our customers now offset 70 to 100% of their electricity with garden setups. Your roof might not be solar ready, but your garden probably is. Ground mounted, vertical mounted, outbuilding integration, there are more options than ever. We're here to help you find the right one. Want to see what garden solar could do for your home? Book your home energy survey today, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more simple guides to smarter energy. We'll see you next time.